you how to make kinetic sand. Kinetic sand is like regular sand, but it has different colors. You can make different shapes with it. Here are the materials. This is 1 cup of baking soda. This is 1/2 cup of sugar. 1/2 cup of cornstarch. 1 tablespoon cream of tartar. 4 tablespoons of water. And food color. My favorite color is blue. You also need a container and a whisk. A container whisk. Now let's mix everything together. Let's put the white stuff on the container. Mix using this. Mom, it's like snow, look!
Oh, that's cool. And I also like the color.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to put it inside the refrigerator for it to cool for a bit. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's do that.
Oh yeah, I'll tell you something. I think you'll understand when I say that something. I wanna hold your hand.
Kids, let's get the kinetic sand. Kids, it looks like ice cream.
Can you press it? Whoa! Now you have kinetic sand. Cool, right?
Yeah.
So this is what Mateo did with his kinetic sand. He is using it as the desert where his Aladdin figurines are.
Mom, where's the magic carpet?
Where is the magic carpet?
I find it.
Oh, there it is. Cool. And you can do so many things
And
with
Mom, look.
the kinetic sand.
He can stand, Mom.
Yeah.
Arabian night, like Arabian days. More often than not, in the Raja good ways. Kids, I hope you liked the episode today. Mateo out.